All right, so we are going to look at our last spelling assignment, which is proofreading for spelling. You already know by all of my nagging that when you do a worksheet like this, you always find the errors first. Once you make sure that you've found all the errors, then you write down the words and you write them correctly. Okay. So today we're probably going to be seeing a lot of errors that relate to two vowels being together. Okay. Maybe we'll see two of the wrong vowels that are together, or maybe one of the vowels will be left off. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to screen share my paper for you. All right. So here we go. Let's look for boo-boos. Boo-boos ahoy. I'm going to make sure that I write my name at the top first. So we're going to find the misspelled words and circle them, then write them correctly on the lines below. It's really important that these two are two separate activities. Don't write them as you find them. Okay. It was January. Booyah, that's wrong. That Talia got the idea to enter the Galactic Music Contest. She wrote a composition for her violin, it's violin, using a poem for inspiration. It was early February, we left the R out, when she heard, Mama, guess what? I would have spelled mama with one M. But sometimes it gets spelled with two. Generally, though, I would have spelled it in English, it's usually spelled with one M. But that's not on our spelling list. So, Mama, guess what? Said Talia, smiling. I placed in the contest. I have to go to India, that has an I, for the final competition. I may get to see a lion. Well, that's an untrue story. We're looking for an animal, Lion there. That's wonderful news, said Mrs. Sims as she handed Talia the cereal is with a C. Talia left the next morning on the shuttle. Everyone was quiet, and focused on the captain's video is an E. She explained that in the usual, after blastoff, they would shut off the engines to conserve fuel and switch to solar power. As Talia looked out the window, she saw a meteor streak past her. To her, that was a sign of good luck. So we got all 12. Now, the other strategy that works really well is to cross out in the word bank and to read the spelling out loud to yourself. So number one is January. That's capital January. And I'm going to go ahead and cross it off on my text. Idea is number one. It's IDEA. Number three is violin. That's number 14, VIOLIN. Number four is poem, and that is POEM. Number five is February, capital FEBRUARY. Next word is India. That's capitalized too because it's a country. Capital INDIA. Lion, the animal, is number two. LION. cereal, cereal, quiet, number 10, quiet, video, video, usual, number 3, usual, and our last word is meteor, which is number 19. Okay. All right. I hope this helped you to learn how to proofread and to navigate these kinds of worksheets. Always find the boo-boos first. Generally, what happens is you miss finding one of these. And then if you've started listing them, you start putting them on the wrong blank. And then I have to mark them wrong. And it drives me crazy because I know you know, and I know you found all the boo-boos, but maybe you found some after the other when you'd already written them down. All right, so thank you for joining me as we learned about VV words. All right, talk to you later.